Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for being here with me on this video. So today I am preparing my breakfast and I'm having a nutty fruit salad. So I have this breakfast probably 2 or 3 times a week, simply because it's very filling and it's low in smart points on the WW plan. So I've got a selection of fruits here, and I've got some strawberries that I've cut up into quarters. I've got blackberries, some blueberries and some raspberries. They're all fresh. I do use a lot of frozen fruit, but seeing as we're in lockdown and I've got a bit of time on my hands, I tend to sort of pop out and get these fresh. Added to my fruit, I'm going to put on some mixed nuts. Now I like to use my mixed nuts not just in my fruit salads but also over my salad leaves throughout the day for lunch, because they're high in protein, nutrients, minerals and also healthy fats as well. I buy my whole mite seeds usually from Aldi or Lidl, like that, and that's a seed mix packet, and I just decant them all out into a container, and this container's got seeds, kernel nuts, sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, hazelnuts, walnuts, pecan nuts, cashew nuts and almond nuts. So it's a really good mix, and I buy them individually in the packets. I buy a seed mix packet and then a packet with a variety of nuts in, and I get them home and I'll just blend them all up together like that. So I will just take a random couple of teaspoons or spoonfuls and just sprinkle it over just randomly, and I will, if I've got walnuts and pecan nuts in there, then I will count the points on that, but something like this, a random amount, I just put down as 4 smart points on green. So sometimes I will add a little bit of honey, or even Greek yogurt or skyr yogurt, but I'm not doing that this morning because I want to save my points for a little bit later. So there you go guys, that's going to be my breakfast for today. So I do find that because I've got the nuts on, it will take me longer to eat than if I didn't have them on. So that way I feel like I've had a good few minutes eating my breakfast, and I feel more satisfied after I've had that. So that's my breakfast for today, and thank you for watching. Please, if you found this video of value, then give me the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Let me know what you have for breakfast. Do you have fruits? Do you put nuts on it? What do you put on that? Or what do you have for your breakfast? Let me know. I'll speak to you soon guys. Have a great day. Bye.